Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy, I want to say day, but really just 30-minute session, because right there, 30 minutes, volume came pouring in, price exploded upwards, and then things, pulled back a little bit. But overall, it was definitely a very healthy day. Going into the day, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched my previous videos from the week, but it was very important to stay up above that green line. I mean, that green line was basically the point that was telling us whether or not the price was making and showing signs of progress, or if the price was going to go back to where it started. But now with the separation to the upside, it's definitely it being the price is giving itself some breathing room from away from 27. So 27, again, still the very important level, because if the price were to go down there and then break down through it, well, at that point, all of a sudden you'd have the price essentially right back to where it was, which is not a good sign from the bullish side of things. But like I said, now the price is that much further away to the upside of breaking down through 27. So from that point of view, sure, the price pulled back from its highs up here around 33. But like I said, it's got some breathing room now, but nonetheless, that still remains the key area of support moving forward. But what about levels of resistance? Well, in the very near term now, the key level that seems to have arisen, which isn't shocking, is that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. So when the price did break above it, big move to the upside, but when the price fell back below it, you can see it went back to acting as resistance both there and then once again right there. And that value is right around 31 cents. So 31 cents near-term level of resistance. If the price can push back up above that area though, the next key level would then be right up there around that area, which sits at the 33 cent mark. So 31 and 33, next couple of key roadblocks moving forward. But all in all, sure, the price, like I said, pulled back, but relatively speaking, and speaking from more of a bigger picture point of view, the price has got some wiggle room now, got some breathing room from 27. So we'll see if the price can eventually continue to build upon this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.